Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wished you could type without touching your keyboard? Whether you are writing emails, taking notes, creating documents, or simply want to save time, your Mac comes with a built-in speech-to-text feature that lets you convert your voice into text instantly. In this video, I will show you exactly how to enable and use speech to text on your Mac, along with some useful tips to improve accuracy. Let's get started. First, let's know what is speech to text on Mac. Speech to text, also known as voice dictation, is a built-in macOS feature that converts your spoken words into written text. Instead of typing manually, you can simply speak and your Mac will automatically type what you say. This feature works in Notes, Microsoft Words, Google Docs, Messages, and Mails, and almost any text field on your Mac. Let's enable dictation on Mac. First, click on this Apple menu here, top left, then go on System Preferences. Now scroll down and click on keyboard here. You can see here keyboard, click on it. Now you can see here the sections: keyboard, text, shortcuts, input screens, and dictation. Click on the dictation tab, then you can see here dictation is off. Just click on turn it on. Now click on enable dictation. Once enabled, you're ready to start using speech to text. Okay, but how to enable it? Just press Ctrl key twice. Press the Ctrl key twice to enable your dictation, or you can change it as well. Press FN function key twice, press right command key twice, or left, and you can customize it as well. Just select it according to your preferences. I am using press Ctrl key twice. Let's use it. Open any app. Let's suppose I have opened this Notes. Okay, now press the key Control key twice. Hello dictation, how are you? As you can see on my screen, I am speaking and just converting to text. It is very useful feature of Mac. And you can also add punctuation with your voice. Hello comma, how are you question mark. As you can see here the punctuation signs. It is most useful. You can also say period, comma, question mark, exclamation mark, new line, new paragraph. This makes writing documents much faster. Okay, and if you want to close it, just again press the Control key twice. It is closed, as you can see here. And some tips if your Mac is not recognizing words correctly. Okay, speak clearly, avoid speaking too fast, use a good microphone. Built-in microphones work well, but an external microphone can improve accuracy, reduce background noise. Try using dictation in a quiet environment. Okay, and select the correct language. Make sure the dictation language matches your accent and language preference. Maintain stable internet. Some speech processing features may perform better with an internet connection. Let's know some common issues and know their fixes. If dictations is not working, try this solution. First, restart your Mac, and second, check microphone permission. Third, go to privacy and settings here. Close it first. Privacy, security and privacy, you can see here, and just check here for privacy that the dictation and microphone is enable or not, speech recognition is enable or not. Okay, ensure dictation is enabled, and the last, update your macOS to the latest version. And if microphone is not detected, disconnect and reconnect external microphone. Select the correct microphone under dictation setting. You can see here the dictation setting from your system preferences, keyboard, then dictation here. Choose the right microphone from here, external microphone or automatic. Just choose the right microphone from here. Okay, speak recognition is an inaccurate. Then change the language setting from here. Add a language you want to use. Speak more clearly. Reduce background noise. If you frequently write emails, blog posts, scripts, or notes, speech to text can significantly increase your productivity. Many users can speak much faster than they type, making dictation a great tool for content creators, students, and professionals. Okay, and that's how you can use speech to text on your Mac. With just a few clicks, you can turn your voice into text and save a lot of typing time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.